Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to add folder shortcut to your Windows 11 start menu. Okay, so for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. So just you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. So this is the shortcut key to open the settings. In the settings guys, go to personalization from the left panel, and in the right panel scroll down and find out start like this. Okay, and in the start you need to extend the folder options from here, and here you can get some of the folder option to add. So if you want to add file explorer, you need to enable it, or if you want to add any particular folder like document, download, music, pictures, videos, network, or personal folder. So if you want to add any of the folder from here, just need to enable it. So I have enabled some of folder from here, as you can see guys in my screen. So now let's see it will add it or not. Press Windows key button, and here as you can see guys, the all folder was added in my start menu. Okay, in case if you want to remove it or if you want to delete it from the start menu, once again you need to open the Windows settings like this. In the Windows settings, from the left panel go to personalization, once again open the start, open the folders and disable it like this one by one. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.